The information in this video will be on how to enter a static IP address on an Ethernet connected coordinator. This would generally be done when the DHCP reserved address is not possible. After IT has done a MAC trace and determined the IP address that was given to the coordinator, open a web browser. Type in the IP address that was provided. A login page will load with a username and password. For the username, enter root. For the password, enter 6676776. Select Sign In. On the coordinator home page, select Network under Configuration on the left side of the screen. On the Network Configuration page, use the following IP address option. Select the IP address field. Type in the IP address that you want to assign to the device. Select the subnet mask field. Type in the appropriate information. Select the default gateway field. Type in the appropriate information. Ensure the Enable Auto IP Address Assignment option is not selected. Select Apply. Select Apply. On the Applied Changes page that loads, a sign-in window will appear after the device has rebooted. For the username, enter root. For the password, enter 6676776. Select Sign In. The network configuration page will load, showing the static IP information that was entered. This concludes the IP address setup for the coordinator. Please move on to the VersaVision configuration.